Just standing on the road. Alright. What the hell? Alright, guys. It is a beautiful day for a ride. We are just gonna go down College Ave here and gonna introduce you who I am. Got a fellow rider coming up. Gotta put 2 fingers down, let them know what's up, and enjoy some roundabouts and some downshifts as well. Hit that apex. Oh yeah, she's getting warmed up. We got plenty of gas. Gasolina. Perfect. Just looking to start a YouTube channel and just share my day with you guys. Share what's going on. I may be getting a new motorcycle here tomorrow, which I'm excited to vlog about. Show you guys what I get. I'm gonna leave it a surprise though. Take a trip down the main drag. Oh my god, there's 2 people on that ground. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 people on that ground. I don't know if I could ever ride too deep on a ground. That's crazy. Crazy. Gosh, it's just a beautiful day out. You know, I encourage you to just get outside. It doesn't even need to be an activity. Just get outside, sit on the lawn. If you got a lawn chair, sit in a lawn chair. Backyard, front lawn, front care. It doesn't matter. COVID's got everybody sitting in the house, and God, I think it ties into the amount of depression and anxiety going on in the world today. There's so much going on. I know personally I battle with a little bit of both, and motorcycles has been huge for me in that regard. And it's just a hobby I enjoy, but I'm not even saying you gotta go out and buy a $3,000 motorcycle just to have fun either. Just live your life, you know, what T.I. said. I think it was T.I. I do have this bike for sale. If I can get it going. Actually, I shouldn't say if I should get it going. That's a beautiful bike. I think that was I'll have to go back and look. Okay, van's going straight. And we're going around the roundabout. Wee woo wee woo. We are not speeding at all. We are actually in Mexico. That's why we have this beautiful weather. God, it's such a beautiful August day. I cannot ask for a better day. I mean, you know what? I'm not even gonna ask. As I say, it could be a little cooler, but no, that's perfectly okay. I'm alright with this. I think we got a little bit of traffic. I love when they block off traffic like this and there's not even any construction. There's literally no construction happening at all. And we're gonna get a yellow. Alright, what do we got going on here? Man's in the middle of the road. Oh, he's got a bicycle. Thought it was just a random dude just standing on the road. Alright. What the hell? What the hell? I'm gonna have to go back and look at that one. Hey, Jimmy! The club, man. I don't know what happened to you. You were such a huge inspiration. If you don't know who I'm referencing a gentleman on YouTube. I believe he was a Marine. He loves Del Taco. He left Del Taco, and I don't know what happened to him. Kind of a less happy world without him. Sending up vlogs. Huge inspiration for me, though. Huge. Oh, that and Do It Dan. He's a huge inspiration to me as well. Used to watch a lot of their motor vlogs. You know, I always dream of being as big as them one day. But even if I'm not, and I'm just spreading a little joy in the world, it needs it, you know? The world is so dark sometimes. A lot of negative going on in the world, and if I can spread a little positivity, gosh darn it, I will.
Guys, I just wanted to jump in here and say thank you for sticking around to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first ever YouTube video, and there will be more like it with better quality as well. If you don't mind dropping a like and hitting the little subscribe button below, it'd be all much appreciated. Thank you guys.